Hi guys, welcome to my spray booth, my workshop. It's actually a kitchen. We're gonna do a bit of spraying of some bases today, and it's our second time with the Iwata Neo airbrush with the Aeolian pixie, Aeolian pixie compressor. Second time with that, and it worked out well with the infinity miniatures that I've just prepped, and we're going to have another go. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what we're going to do tonight. Okay, so we've got the compressor, and we've not switched it on yet. I just want to show you what to expect when you switch it on. So we've got the Iwata Neo on there with the moisture trap, and it sits in there. You've got the dial for your air pressure there. Switch on the side, and when you switch it on, it should charge up the 300cc air tank inside, which sounds like this. And then it cuts out, and then that's your air tank charged up. And an example of how much air you're going to get from it, it's about and then it charges up again. Okay, so let's have a look at that. So it is up to 45 psi, 3 bar. Okay, and okay, right. So what we're going to do tonight is do some of these little bases from my Infinity. Bit of rock, and we're having trouble finding focus. Focus? There we go. Okay. So that's that. Right, we've got 10 of these to do, but I'll just do a couple of these and then I'll crack on. And we're going to be just going over the top of the sand, the earth, with a bit of beastie brown, and we're putting in some airbrush flow improver just to make it go through the needle a bit better. So I'm going to stop this now and get prepped. Okay, so what we're going to do is 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of that, and I'm going to find it. I'm going to go for 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of that. And it didn't go all the way in, so we're going to push it down like that. And surprisingly, a little goes a long way. So I mix that up a little bit. Okay. You can add a little bit of water if the mixture is not quite right. But I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll put this on my makeshift spray booth. Okay. Right, so put that there, like that. Okay. And what we're going to do is it's down for air and pull back for paint. Okay, so let's see. There we go. Lovely. Okay, so we're going to try and do this without There's one. And alright, and that's that. We've still got some paint in there just below the needle, and it's come out really well. I'm gonna move on to doing the rest of them now, and I'll get back to you on the next video, and I'll show you what I've done to my Infinity Nomads next. Okay, please like, comment or subscribe. I'll try and answer any questions you got. Thank you.